In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut music without copyright on the PC version. If you're worried about your videos getting muted, flagged, or receiving a copyright claim because of the background music, don't worry. CapCut has a very simple built-in way to help you find safer music options and verify them before you upload. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click and what to look for so you can work with more confidence. To begin, we want to isolate the audio tracks that are cleared for broader use. Move your mouse to the top left area of the CapCut interface and click on the Main Audio tab. This opens the music library where CapCut stores the tracks you can browse and use in your project. Once you're inside the music library panel, look near the top for a filter labeled Commercial. Click that filter to turn it on. As soon as you enable it, CapCut automatically updates the library and shows only the tracks that are cleared for business use, ads, and monetized public platforms. This is the fastest way to narrow your options and avoid choosing a track that could cause issues later. If you create content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or client work, this filter is especially important because it helps you stay inside a safer music category from the start. After that, choose the track you want and place it onto the audio row in your timeline. Once the music is added to your project, the next step is to double-check the whole sequence for safety. Look just above your timeline tracks for the horizontal toolbar. In that toolbar, find the icon that looks like a shield with a check mark. It's labeled Copyright Check. Click it once. CapCut will then scan the audio in your project using its built-in sound engine. It compares your music against Content ID-style databases to check for possible issues. This only takes a few seconds, so just wait for the scan to finish. When it's done, look at the status result. If you see a green shield icon with the message Passed Copyright Check, that means your project has cleared the check and you're safe to move forward with exporting and uploading your video to social media platforms without claim restrictions from that track. That's really all there is to it. First, turn on the commercial filter in the audio section to find cleared music. Then, after adding your track to the timeline, run the copyright check to verify the project. With just a few clicks, you can choose safer music and confirm that your video is ready to publish. You're all set.